Hello friends, my name is Inessa Nesteruk and I am responsible for creating innovative products at Mihi. Today I will talk about care that helps the skin look smoother, firmer, and more cared for at home. A sedentary lifestyle, stress, and a slowdown in metabolic processes can affect skin tone and contribute to a feeling of puffiness. As a result, the skin may lose elasticity and its texture may appear less smooth. This is how the noticeable orange peel effect emerges, which is difficult to address solely through exercise. The decision from Mihi is a multi-active cream with a pronounced cooling effect. It is a professional cosmetic treatment that supports skin tone and helps body contours look more cared for. The effectiveness of the cream is ensured by the synergy of high-tech ingredients that work within the framework of cosmetic skincare. Let's take a look at the formula. An innovative complex based on trimethylcyclohexyl butyl carbonate has been developed to improve the microtexture of the skin and helps reduce the visual manifestations of orange peel. Caffeine supports a cosmetic drainage effect and helps the skin appear more toned. Meanwhile, peppermint extract and menthol create a pleasant cryo effect, providing a feeling of freshness and helping the body feel light. The formula is enriched with vitamin E, an antioxidant component for skincare, as well as natural essential oils of orange and bergamot, which help the skin look more cared for and leave a pleasant citrus scent. What exactly will you achieve from regular use of the cream? Firstly, a visual lifting effect and a more groomed appearance of body contours. Secondly, an improvement in skin texture. It looks smoother and the manifestations of orange peel are visually reduced. Thirdly, a cosmetic drainage effect that helps reduce the visibility of puffiness and maintain skin tone. Thanks to its cooling effect, the cream is suitable for areas where unwanted intense heating occurs, providing the skin with a pleasant feeling of freshness and comfort. This cream is an important part of the Professional Skin Sculpt program. For the best visible results, use the products in combination. Step 1. Prepare the skin with the perfect citrus peel. This will help prepare the skin for the next stage of care. Step 2. Evenly apply the cooling cream to the thighs, buttocks, and abdomen. Wrap in film for 40 to 60 minutes. You will feel a pleasant coolness. Step 3. After rinsing off the remaining cream, apply body oil for massage to maintain the cared-for appearance of the skin. Repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times a week for a course of up to 6 weeks. As a result of regular use, the skin looks more elastic, firm, and silky to the touch. The product helps improve the external texture and visually reduce skin imperfections. The foundation for better results is the comprehensive Skin Sculpt program from Mihi, consisting of 3 steps. Step 1. Prepare the skin with a citrus peel. Step 2. Apply a wrap with a cooling cream. For a contrasting effect, alternate the treatment with Dead Sea mud with a thermal effect. Step 3. Maintain elasticity daily with a massage oil. Choose the systematic European care and discover the Skin Sculpt program with Mihi.